Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a bit of a problem. I've come to use the lathe this morning and I think my inverters has give up the ghost. So what I need to do, unplug it all, get it on the bench and just open it up, see if there's anything blown inside it or anything like that. So yeah, what I'll do, I'll turn you around now and I'll show you what the problem is, and what we can do is I'll chuck you on the tripod and we'll whiz the cover off and do a bit of investigation on it and see what's going on. So yeah, we'll just turn you around and then we'll have a little look at what the problem is. Right, so if I chuck, there's the power on and I've got both lights on, but when I go to turn the lathe on, there's nothing. So I don't know if it's possibly motor, but there doesn't seem to be power coming from that. I think there's lights on, reset, but still nothing. So what we'll do is we'll unplug it and get it on the bench. We'll see what the problem is. Right, got it on the bench. I'm going to whiz the cover off. Nice big spider. Right, okay. So actually looking in there, nothing actually seems to be blown or this looks like it's maybe that's come off in well, it's been shipped or but everything seems to look okay. So yeah, that looks okay. It does smell burnt though. So there's nothing obvious in there that's actually blown or burned. So it's possibly the lathe side of things. So there's nothing visual where it's blown or anything's burnt other than that, but I think that's actually, there's no signs of it blown or burnt, so that looks okay. Whether that's just come apart in transit or something like that. So yeah, so maybe now I'll have to go into the electrics on the lathe, possibly test the motor. Unsure, but I will investigate a bit more. Right, let's put all this back together now, because I can't see anything visual blown or burnt or anything like that. So I've put it back together now, and then what I'm going to do is investigate on the lathe, because I can't remember if there was switches on the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig into that just to see if any of the switches have knocked themselves off or anything like that. So that's what I'm going to do next. So yeah, I'll get this powered, put this back where it belongs, and then I'll start investigating a bit further deep on the lathe. So yeah, that's where we got to. Right, I think I've worked out the problem on the lathe. These two pins, well, here and here, what I've done, I've squashed them down so they're sitting closer to the actual, because they're part of the button. So what I've done is squashed them down more, and all seems to be working now. So yeah, just a quick fix really, and that's on the start button. So yeah, done the investigation on it, found that it's the actual start button that's the problem. So I've squashed them two pins down, and now we're all up and running. So yeah, just a quick fix. What I'll do is I'll put this switch back on now. I might even just time lapse me putting the switch on, and then I'll show you it all back up and running. So yeah, just a quick video, all up and running. Smart & Brown's working alright now, so yeah, I'll get this switch back on. So yeah, power the box back on, have power there, have power back there, and yeah, happy days. And then stop, start. Happy days. So yeah, quick video on the Smart & Brown, the power issue, and it's just the start button, which was happy days. So yeah, quick video. Hope you've liked it. So like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, bye.